everybody! Hi, my name is Clio, and welcome to my bedtime program at East End Children's Center. This program runs every Monday, every Wednesday, and every Friday at 7 o'clock. Today we are going to read Bear Snores On, all about our snory, sleepy bear that we just can't wake up. But first we're going to sing our hello song. We're going to sing our hello song. It's called the Goeienaand Train. All aboard! Get on my train! I'm going to get seated. I'm going to put my seatbelt on. Is yours on? Okay, good. Let's get going. The Goeienaand train is coming. How are you? Choo choo. The Goeienaand train is coming. How are you? Choo choo. The Goeienaand train is coming. The Goeienaand train is coming. The Goeienaand train is coming. How are you? Choo choo. Today we are going to learn to say good evening in a language called Afrikaans. The language Afrikaans. Where is Afrikaans spoken in the world? Not here in Canada, not en masse. Not everybody speaks Afrikaans. A lot of people who live in South Africa speak Afrikaans. South means down, bottom. South Africa, where this cheetah is. This is the country of South Africa in the continent of Africa, where a lot of people speak English, but a lot of people also speak Afrikaans. So if you go to visit South Africa one day and you want to say good evening to someone that lives there, you can say Goeienaand. Good evening, Goeienaand. Oh, hi there. Good evening, Goeienaand. Okay, now you try and repeat it after me, okay? Hoi. Ja. Nan. Goeienaand. Goeienaand. You've got it. Good evening. Goeienaand. And we say Goeienaand to elephant. How are you? We say Goeienaand to cute little doggy. How are you? Choo choo. We say Goeienaand to who? Hey, you're looking the wrong way, Grover. We say Goeienaand to Grover. We say Goeienaand to Clio. We say Goeienaand to you. Good evening. How are you? Choo choo. The Goeienaand train is coming. How are you? Choo choo. Goeienaand train is coming. How are you? Choo choo. Goeienaand train is coming. Goeienaand train is coming. Goeienaand train is coming. How are you? Choo choo. Woo! We made it. We had a good time on our good evening train all the way to South Africa. Now we're going to sing our Get Ready for Bed song. We're going to sing our Get Ready for Bed song. I'll be using my hands. I will be signing what I'm saying. I'll be using signs to say the same thing but with words that I'm saying. That's in American Sign Language. American Sign Language, ASL. Some people who have trouble using their mouths to communicate or have trouble hearing the words of other people might use their hands. They might use their hands to talk. And that's pretty cool. So we're going to be using some signs. Today we're going to practice the sign for bed. I want to see you. I want to see you sign bed. Okay? Bed. Ah, my cozy bed. Where I go when I sleep. Bed. So when I sing bed, I want to see you sign bed. Okay? Let's try. Goeienaand. Good evening. My friends, goeienaand. Good evening. Goeienaand, my friends, goeienaand. Goeienaand, my friends, goeienaand, my friends, goeienaand, my friends, goeienaand. Did you have a good day today? Did you have a good day today? Did you have a good day? Did you have a good day? Did you have a good day today? Let's ready ourselves for bed. What's the sign? Forget. Oh, bed. You know, bed. Let's ready ourselves for... Uh-oh, I forgot again. Oh, what's the sign? Oh, okay, bed. Really nice. Bed. Let's ready ourselves. Let's ready ourselves. Let's ready ourselves for bed. Now, what are some things that you do? What do you do to get ready for bed? What do you do? Did you brush your teeth? Did you eat a snack? Did you drink some water? Did you put your PJs on? I did not. Here's tonight's story. Bear Snores On. Sleepy, sleepy bear. All Bear's animal friends are like, hello, wake up, Bear. What season is it? Yeah, it looks like it's winter. Bears hibernate in the winter. Bears hibernate. Animals that hibernate sleep all winter long. They sleep so that they can hold on to all of their energy, because it's really hard to survive outside for animals in the winter. So they rest in one place, they eat lots of food and get big and fat, and they stay very still for a whole winter so that they don't have to use much energy. They can hold on to all that energy for the whole winter and come out in the spring. So maybe that's why Bear is snoring and snoring and snoring. Bear might be hibernating if it's winter time. Let's find out. Bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, in his deep, dark lair, through the long, cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap, with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, and he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl. The night sounds growl. Grrr. But the bear snores on. An itty bitty mouse tiptoe. Creep crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. A mouse has snuck into Bear's warm cave. What do you think is going to happen to the mouse inside the cave? Let's see. Mouse squeaks, "Too damp, too dank, too dark." So he lights wee twigs with a small, hot spark. The mouse made something. What did the mouse make? A fire? Why? Yeah, I think mouse made a fire to stay warm. Or maybe to cook some food, I don't know. The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop. But the bear snores on. There's even a mouse inside and the bear is still sleeping. Two glowing eyes. Look at those eyes up close. Two glowing eyes. Sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare hops in. Boing, boing, boing. A hare is just like a bunny rabbit. "Hey, mouse," says hare. "Long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. They're making some bedtime snacks. They're having popcorn and black tea for their bedtime snack. Very nice. Mouse sips wee slurps. Hare burps, big burps. Let me hear your big burp. Just like hare. And even with all that burping, the bear snores on. The bear keeps snoring. How can this bear sleep through all this noise? A badger scuttles by, sniffs, snuffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we can share." I think it would be very kind if they shared their snacks, their popcorn and their black tea with Badger. I think that would be a really nice way to show kindness. I sure hope they do it. "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in." What a lovely way to show kindness. Badger brought snacks for everybody. What's one way that you showed kindness today? How were you kind today? And they nibble. And they munch. With a chew, chomp, crunch. And guess what? But the bear snores on. sleepy bear. Oh my goodness. Is anything gonna wake this bear up? What do you think? What could wake up the bear? I think maybe an elephant would wake up that bear. Even the elephant is not waking up the bear. The bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren, and then a raven. There's the wren, there's the raven. Flutter in through the door. A gopher and mole tunnel up through the floor. Gophers and moles, they live underground. So they go up, 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 up through the floor. And from the sky, down comes the birds, the wren and the raven. And they flutter right in through the cave door. Who knows, maybe they brought snacks too. Let's see. Mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm!" twitters wren. And everybody clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they titter. They chat and they chitter. But the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. That's like saying his house. In his very own house, there's a party. And Bear isn't even waking up. In his very own lair. Hare stokes the fire. Mouse seasons stew. Then a small pepper flake makes the bear achoo! Achoo, achoo, achoo! The pepper got on the bear's nose, and now Bear can't stop sneezing. Achoo! He blows and he sneezes, and the whole crowd freezes. Everyone's scared. They want to see what Bear is going to do. That stew woke up the bear. I didn't think it would be that. I thought something noisy would wake up the bear. And the bear wakes up. Do you think the bear is happy to be awake? How does the bear look? I think the bear looks angry. I think the bear looks grumpy. Do you ever feel grumpy when something wakes you up and you weren't ready to wake up yet? I understand how Bear feels. And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. Uh-oh. Bear is very, very upset. The animals are all running away. Everyone is scared and Bear is so grumpy. I think Bear feels different now. What do you think? How does Bear feel? Bear seems really sad to me. I wonder why Bear is sad. Bear says, "You've snuck in my lair, and you've had all fun. But me, I was sleeping, and I have had none." Bear is feeling like they missed out on all the fun. Bear has a bit of FOMO. Bear has a bit of a fear of missing out. Bear is sad to have missed all the fun that the friends had. He whimpers and he moans. He wails and he groans. And the bear blubbers on. Sad, sad bear. How would you cheer Bear up? What's something you could do to cheer Bear up? Well, that's very kind. I think that would work. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss. Look, see?" There's Mouse. "We can pop more corn and we can brew more tea." They're going to make more popcorn and they're going to make more black tea to share with their new friend Bear. Now that's kindness if I ever heard it. That is very kind, Mouse. What is one way you can try to show kindness tomorrow? What are you going to try to do? Maybe you can share. You could take turns really well. Maybe you can help your caregiver make snack. Maybe you can get all dressed by yourself. There are lots of ways to show kindness. Maybe you can give someone a really big hug and tell them that you love them. That's another way to show kindness. Bear gulps. Bear gobbles. He sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. Ooh, Bear is telling stories, just like I'm reading a story to you guys. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep. But Bear's friends snore on. Now all of Bear's friends are sleeping on Bear. They all fell asleep. They all fell asleep. All of Bear's friends are asleep now. The tables have turned. First Bear was sleeping, and now all Bear's friends have fallen asleep. Bear's friends snore on. And there's that wintry night. And that is the end of Bear Snores On, a silly, silly, silly story about a great big brown bear. Okay, guys, it's about time that we practice our deep breathing so that we can calm our bodies and our minds and relax and get ourselves a little bit more in the mood to go to bed. So I like to get my favorite stuffy and turn off my light and sometimes even have some water, put on some music sometimes. So today we're going to do what are we doing today? Flower breathing. To do flower breathing, we take a deep breath in through our nose and we sigh it out, a sigh of delight, just like Bear and Bear Snores On. Because flowers they just smell so lovely. They make us happy when we smell flowers. So we take a deep breath in and we sigh it all out because we're so happy. Let's try again. In my flower garden, I see A red flower with green stripes, and it's fuzzy. I'm gonna have a sniff. Oh, that was a really nice smelling flower. Oh, I see a new one in my flower garden. It's blue and it's prickly. It looks like a dandelion, but it's blue and it's pointy. I'm gonna have a sniff. Oh, it smells like blueberries. Okay, you tell me about the flower in your garden. Okay, let's have a sniff of it together. Whoa, that smelled wild. Okay, let's have one last big sniff, and our South African lullaby, Thula Baba, is going to start. Okay, in through your nose. Let it all out. A Charm to Call Sleep by Henry Johnstone. Sleep, sleep, come to me, sleep. Come to my blankets and come to my bed. Come to my legs and my arms and my head. Over me, under me, into me creep. Sleep, sleep, come to me, sleep. Blow on my face like a soft breath of air. Lay your cool hand on my forehead and hair. Carry me down through the dream waters deep. Sleep, sleep, come to me, sleep. Tell me the secrets that you alone know. Show me the wonders none other can show. Open the box where your treasures you keep. Sleep, sleep, come to me, sleep. Softly I call you, as soft and as slow. Come to me, cuddle me, stay with me, so. Stay till the dawn is beginning to peep. Goeienaand, good evening, and good night. Bye-bye.